Good morning. We've been off the radar for a couple of days. We haven't had Wi-Fi or anything. Basically, we took a flight from Delhi to Srinagar, which is in Kashmir, the most northern region in India. And we're staying with this really cool family on a houseboat. We haven't been able to do anything for the past couple of days because it's just been manic rain. We've got mountains that side of us, mountains there, all Himalayas. But yeah, we're going into the 6th day to actually do something.